As of 2014, 84 million Xbox 360s were sold worldwide, and was the 6th highest selling video game console in history. Although Microsoft stopped its hardware production in 2016, you can still find parts and pieces to fix up your old one, just in case you wore it out. Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. It's Xbox 360 Restoration.
What we do here is go back.
Yes, green is my favorite color, and did you know the fella that designed the original Xbox was said to just be carrying around a green Sharpie at the time for some sketches, and it just kinda stuck. While the paint dries, let's have a look at the power brick. You may not know that there is a laptop style blower fan inside, and dust can be a menace, so I'm going to give it a cleaning and reassemble. Alright, now that the power brick will be nice and cool, let's move on to laser replacement. You can pick up a brand new one for around $5 on eBay, and it's not as hard and delicate as you might think. Laser may not always be your problem on an optical drive. You may need further troubleshooting if this doesn't work. A possible disc reading error can be caused by the worm gear that moves the laser back and forth. New laser arrives with a solder ball covering and grounding out a couple contacts. This is an anti-static precaution during shipping. This must be desoldered before installation, or the laser simply will not power. Sticky drive door, slow or won't open correctly. The original drive belt is dried out and stretched. In a pinch, a similar in size or smaller rubber band may get you through until the one you ordered comes in through the mail. Oh wow, that is some goop everywhere but where it's supposed to be. I call that Microsoft mayonnaise, or the previous owner applied this, I don't know. Oh well, bust out some rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs. Alright, a whole lot cleaner and shouldn't run into overheating anytime soon. With that said, I painted the cage just for looks, and don't worry, I scratched some of the paint where it's used as a ground. The LED lights power from the optical drive plus 12 volt and are grounded to the cage as well. Alright, all our work is paying off now, baby. It should run and look almost brand new, so let's just check it out.
Pressing the fight, we're ahead. War machine deployed. That's another kill. Check your timeline.